The 2025 Mahindra Supro minivan has finally made its appearance, and it brings with it a host of practical upgrades and user-friendly features designed to cater to both business and family needs. Mahindra has always been known for offering affordable, reliable, and utilitarian vehicles, and the new Supro minivan continues this legacy with a fresh look, enhanced performance, and smarter technology. This latest iteration of the Supro retains its compact dimensions, which make it perfect for navigating through narrow city streets and crowded urban areas. However, the exterior styling has been updated with a sleeker front grille, improved headlamps, and minor aesthetic tweaks that give it a more modern and purposeful stance. The van maintains its boxy shape, ensuring maximum interior space, which remains one of its biggest strengths. Under the hood, the 2025 Supro minivan is powered by a more refined 909 cubic centimeter diesel engine, now BS6 Phase 2 compliant, offering improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The engine delivers around 26 HP and a torque of 55 Newton meter, which is more than adequate for intercity transport or commercial usage. One of the highlights of this van is its mileage, which can go up to 22 se 23 km/l, making it an economical option for those who require daily commuting or cargo transport. Inside, the cabin is basic yet functional. Mahindra has added more comfort for the driver and passengers with better cushioning, improved legroom, and slightly enhanced materials. The dashboard remains simple but now includes practical features like a mobile charging port, better airflow with upgraded AC vents, and a clearer instrument cluster. It can seat up to 8 passengers, depending on the variant, and the layout is flexible to allow cargo if needed. Safety has also seen a small improvement, with the inclusion of seatbelts for all passengers, a stronger body frame, and optional ABS and EBD in higher trims. While it doesn't boast luxury, it ensures dependability and cost effectiveness, key factors for many buyers in the Indian commercial and budget segments. Mahindra has priced the 2025 Supro minivan very competitively, making it one of the most value-packed options in its segment. Whether you are a small business owner, school operator, or someone needing a reliable people mover, this van checks all the essential boxes. In a market filled with expensive alternatives, the Supro continues to be a smart, no-nonsense choice that delivers practicality, savings, and solid performance for everyday demands.